Si Shannon. Gusto niyang magsuot ng sunglass. Hi, Shannon. Say hi. Hello. Where are you going, be? Huh? Shannon. Pretty eyes, be. Bad smell. Cry. Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Flying kiss, be. Ay, no, mas sisira. Ano ba yan? Sige, suot na yun. Ang galing-galing na. Uy, very good. It's just parang hindi maayos yan. Ayos. Help ka ni Mami, ha? Help Mami, yan. Ayan. Ano ba? Uy, very good. O, sige, hi na. Hi. Say hi muna. Hi. Bulaga. Where are you going, be? Huh? Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? Shannon? Ah, flying kiss na, be. Flying kiss na. Oh, masisira. Careful. Eh. Ang kulit naman. Careful, be. Hi muna si Shannon. Hi. Hello. Oh, bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye.